Once upon a time, in a small village nestled deep in the mountains, there lived a wise and respected Zen master named Ryo. People from all around would come to seek his guidance and wisdom. Ryo's reputation as a wise and compassionate teacher spread far and wide, and it was said that he possessed a deep understanding of human nature. Hiroshi, a young man who had heard of Ryo's wisdom, made the decision to go see the Zen master one day in an effort to discover resolutions to the problems he was facing in life. Hiroshi had been having trouble earning the respect of others around him, and he begged for advice on how to do so. Hiroshi entered the Zen master's modest home and bowed politely, expressing his desire to learn. Ryo offered Hiroshi a seat and poured him a cup of tea while grinning serenely. "Respect is not something that can be demanded, young Hiroshi," Ryo began. "It is earned through one's actions, attitudes, and habits. If you wish to gain the respect of others, there are 6 habits you must leave behind." Intrigued, Hiroshi listened intently, eager to discover what these habits were. Ryo continued, "The first habit you must leave behind is the habit of arrogance. When you approach others with a sense of superiority, looking down upon them, you create a barrier between yourself and those you seek respect from. Instead, approach others with humility and a genuine desire to understand and connect with them." Hiroshi nodded, recognizing his own tendency to be arrogant at times. He eagerly awaited the next habit. "The second habit to leave behind is the habit of gossip," Ryo continued. "When you engage in idle talk and spread rumors about others, you create an atmosphere of mistrust and disrespect. Instead, focus on uplifting conversations that bring people together and foster a sense of unity and harmony." Hiroshi acknowledged the power of words and silently vowed to be more mindful of his conversations. He was eager to hear the remaining habits. "The third habit you must abandon is the habit of deceit," Ryo said sternly. "When you are dishonest and manipulate the truth, you erode the foundation of trust that respect is built upon. Instead, practice integrity and honesty in all aspects of your life, even in the face of difficulty." Hiroshi reflected on moments when he had been less than truthful, understanding the consequences it had on his relationships. He was determined to change. "The fourth habit to relinquish is the habit of envy," Ryo continued. "When you allow envy to consume you, you create a constant sense of discontent and resentment towards others. Instead, cultivate gratitude for what you have and celebrate the accomplishments of others without comparison." Hiroshi realized how often he had compared himself to others and felt jealous of their achievements. He longed to embrace a more appreciative mindset. "The fifth habit to let go of is the habit of impatience," Ryo said calmly. "When you are impatient, you disregard the value of the present moment and the perspectives of others. Instead, practice patience, understanding that everything unfolds in its own time, and that respect cannot be rushed." Hiroshi contemplated how his impatience had hindered his ability to truly listen to others and be present in the moment. He was eager to work on this aspect of himself. Ryo took a pause, allowing Hiroshi to absorb the wisdom he had shared so far. Hiroshi could already sense a profound transformation within himself, but he eagerly awaited the final habit. "The sixth and final habit you must abandon is the habit of self-centeredness," Ryo finally revealed. "When you are solely focused on your own needs and desires, disregarding the well-being of others, you alienate yourself from respect and admiration. Instead, cultivate empathy and compassion, seeking to understand and support others selflessly." Hiroshi felt a surge of gratitude for the Zen master's guidance. He realized that the habits Ryo had shared were not only transformative, but also interconnected. Each habit played a role in shaping his character and his relationships with others. Over the years, Hiroshi dedicated himself to letting go of these habits, practicing self-reflection and mindfulness. As he gradually incorporated these teachings into his daily life, he experienced a profound shift in how others perceived and respected him. Hiroshi became known for his humility, kindness, and integrity. The village soon began to hold Hiroshi in the same high regard as the Zen master Ryo. His transformation served as a testament to the power of leaving behind these 6 habits. People flocked to Hiroshi seeking his wisdom and guidance, inspired by the example he had set. As a result, Hiroshi's journey, motivated by the wise Zen master Ryo's teachings, not only enabled him to earn the respect he wanted, but also to become a source of inspiration and direction for others on their own journeys toward respect and self-improvement. The lesson of this inspiring Zen tale is that respect cannot be forced or expected of others. It is acquired by our deeds, dispositions, and practice. Thanks for watching my video.